sad and disturbing story. A newborn baby found alive in a plastic bag in Forsyth County.
But local medical professionals are sending out the message to any mother in trouble. There is a safe haven law in Georgia. WSAV's Joanne Merrigan is here with what you need to know.
Well, Ben, the Safe Haven Law was designed to prevent the tragedy of a baby being abandoned. It says mothers will not be prosecuted if they take their infant to a designated safe place.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's heartbreaking video that's been seen by many. On June 6th, the baby was found alive in a plastic bag in the woods of Forsyth County.
I think a lot of people may have thought, who could do that? I kind of went the other way and felt very sorry that perhaps this mom didn't know about the law and didn't know that there were places that were safe and that she could turn to.
Meredith Scaccia is the director of Women's and Children's Services at St. Joseph's Candler. She says the Safe Haven Law was passed more than 20 years ago.
It was created to prevent babies from being dropped on the doorstep, or dumpster babies is how they used to call it.
She says babies can be taken to medical facilities like Candler or to public service facilities like police and fire stations.
Moms may have a reason. We don't know that reason. We're not here to judge that reason.
The point, she says, is to help mothers who can't care for their babies, but more importantly, to protect the baby.
And make sure that we don't have babies left in the woods or poorly treated.
Oh, look how precious you are.
The infant, now called Baby India, is doing well, we're told, being cared for by social services in Forsyth County. There's also word that there have been many offers from people who want to adopt her. Meanwhile, Scaccia hopes information could help another mom out there.
And we would hope that by sharing that information that we don't have any more moms dispose of their infants in any manner and be able to get them to the right location that's safe for the baby.
A baby up to 30 days old can be dropped off at one of those safe locations we mentioned, but the child must be given to someone at that location. The baby just can't be left on a doorstep, for example. The law says moms who do this and who indicate they just can't care for the baby will not face any criminal charges. Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.